Hello, good day. I'm Boy. In the last video, we talked about filter method, and now let's talk about find method. So, what is find method? Find method is used to retrieve the first element in an array that satisfies a given condition. It returns the value of the first element that passes the condition, or undefined if no element satisfy the condition. So, let's create our syntax for our find method. Okay. So in our find method, we have um, a parameter. So first is a callback. So a callback is a function that is called for each element in the array. It takes three arguments. So the three elements inside of our callback first is the current, the element. So this is the current element being processed. The second argument is index. Hit this one. So this is optional, the index of the current element for being processed. And the last one is the um, uh, object or another array. So this one is the array that the find method was called upon. Maybe let's create our sample so we can explore what can find method can do. So let's create a array for fruits, and let's say that this is the um okay, let's say call this name, and then let's say apple, and I sorry, I forgot the equal sign, and the color is red. Okay, and let's copy this one to create more. And the second, um, banana, and the color of this one is yellow. Third one is maybe grape. What is the color of grape? Purple. And the last one is maybe orange. Orange. And the color of this one is, of course, orange. I forgot I sent a comma here. So let's create a variable that hold that our find method. So variable called orange fruit. So let's use our array fruits. Then let's find the the orange. So let's create our condition. Fruit that color is equals to orange. So if the if the fruit color is equals to gray, I want to call this one. I want to put the that value inside of orange arrow, uh, orange fruit. So the find method, this one stop iterating once it find an element that satisfies that our condition here. Once the find method find our condition, the function or the function of our find will stop and it will return the element. If no element, um, if the element not found or not satisfied in the condition, it returns undefined. So let's console that log our orange fruit, orange fruit. So let's see what is the output. So as you can see here, the output of our orange fruit is orange. The name is orange and the color orange. So let's test if the condition is not true or if the method didn't find any value. Orange. Let's say orange. So let's save it and run the code. Yeah, as you can see here, the value is undefined. So that's it. I think I hope that I explain and I give you an example to understand how to use the find method. If you have further question and any comment, just comment below in our comment section. So that's it, and thank you. Bye bye.